Luxury vinyl and other resilient flooring materials have improved and evolved into a new generation of vinyl floor coverings. Schluter Systems offers a variety of finishing, transition, and edge protection profiles for resilient floor and wall coverings that increase design flexibility and provide long-lasting finishes. The VinPro line of profiles accommodates various covering thicknesses, with sizes ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch. They are available in 3 brushed anodized aluminum finishes: bronze, nickel, and chrome. They are suitable for both residential and light commercial applications. Let's take a look at all that the VinPro has to offer. The Schluter VinPro S provides edge protection where the resilient covering is bordered by carpet, floor coverings of similar heights, or as a finishing edge for wall skirting applications. Schluter VinPro T is designed to provide transitions between same height floor coverings. Schluter VinPro U is designed to provide a smooth transition to floor coverings at lower elevations. VinPro U can also transition to finished concrete. An edge profile for resilient floor coverings on stairs, the Schluter VinPro Step has a square design and ribbed capping flange to provide slip protection. Schluter VinPro Step R is also a finishing and edging profile for installations on stairs. The top of the profile features a capping flange with a rounded leading edge, while the elongated vertical section provides increased visibility. Schluter VinPro RO is an edge profile with a rounded reveal for resilient covering installations on stairs, outside corners, and as a finishing edge for wall skirting applications. The VinPro profiles are quick and easy to install with fasteners or using an adhesive. Let's take a look at the first fastening method using the VinPro S. Using the anchoring leg's existing screw holes, fasten the profiles to the substrate. A number 6 flathead screw is recommended for a fastener. Make sure to install the fasteners so that the screw head is flush to the surface of the anchoring leg. This will help to prevent any bumps from transferring through to the finished surface. A patching or leveling compound can be used to eliminate inconsistencies in the floor and anchoring leg if required. If you are installing the VinPro profiles over concrete substrates, the use of anchors is recommended. In this example, we are installing the VinPro U. First, mark the hole positions on the substrate. Then, drill pilot holes for the anchors. Install the profile by fastening to the anchors. Let's take a look at how to install the VinPro profiles using adhesive. In this example, we are installing the VinPro S. Once the final position of the profile has been determined, mark the edges of the profile onto the substrate. Apply adhesive, such as Schluter CurdyFix, to the back side of the anchoring leg. Press the anchoring leg onto the substrate and align to your desired position. The VinPro T is installed by filling the opening between the adjacent floor coverings with adhesive. Set the VinPro T into the joint. Be sure to remove any excess adhesive immediately. Providing durable edge protection and finishing in a variety of applications, VinPro profiles offer unobtrusive designs which complement any resilient covering installation. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.